Solve the equation 3x minus 8 all divided by 4 plus 5 is equal to minus 9. Right, writing out the equation, you've got to be careful that you don't try to multiply it by 4 first because of this plus 5. So the way to solve this is to first of all look at plus 5. So the opposite of plus 5 is to take 5. And remember, you do it to both sides. So if you take 5 from the left-hand side, you're just going to get 3x minus 8 over 4. And then minus 9 minus 5 is going to give you minus 14. And now you can multiply by 4. So multiplying both sides by 4. So this side will become 3x minus 8. And then 4 times minus 14 is minus 56. Now the opposite of subtracting 8 is to add 8 to both sides. So if you now add 8, you're going to get 3x on this side, and then minus 56 plus 8 is going to give you minus 48. Finally, dividing both sides by 3, you're going to get that x is going to be equal to minus 16. Minus 48 divided by 3 is minus 16. Just do a quick check. So check back and put x is equal to minus 16 in the original equation. So it's 3 times minus 16 minus 8 plus 4 plus 5. That becomes minus 48 minus 8 over 4 plus 5. Minus 48 minus 8 is going to give me minus 56 over 4 plus 5. And then minus 56 divided by 4 will give me minus 14 plus 5, which will give me 9, which is minus 9, sorry, which is the correct thing that I was going to expect with this equation. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation with a fraction, with an extra addition in. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.